Good morning, YouTubers. Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and I have a video for you. If you're going to install Pergo flooring, you're going to need to make this upgrade on your pull bar. What I have here is my pull bar that I got that came in a kit that comes with a pull bar, tapping block, and some spacers. And basically, it wasn't that much. I'll put the link down below from what I got mine. I got mine at Lowe's. So basically what I did was, on this end of the pull bar, this is where you strike, right here, with the hammer, and this goes up against the flooring, the laminate or wood lock tab flooring. So because this lip is really small, let's see if we can get a better close-up. Turn it. Okay, because that lip is very small, you can see it was only this wide, and if I put the ruler on it, you can see it was only about an inch of surface. And it's even less because this is 1/8 of an inch thick, so that's what you had to hit with a hammer. So what I did for this little upgrade, as you can see, I went ahead and got some 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 square tube and cut it at 1 3/4 inches long, and went ahead and welded it. Let's see, yeah, welded it here, down this way, up across the back right here, and then the same thing on the other side. You can see down up there. Okay, and basically probably not going to paint this because this is going to get hit a lot with a hammer. I may paint like this side, and maybe the underside. Oh, here, just to let you know, there was a Velcro pad like this one right here. That's going to melt off when you weld. Because the way it was glued on there, I don't know if I try to take it off and then put it back later, if that was gonna still work. I might just have to get another Velcro pad and put it there. For right now, I just use the underlayment, a piece of underlayment. I put it here so it doesn't scratch the flooring. Installing Pergo flooring, so you don't want to scratch that nice like ceramic surface that it has on it. But anyway, there you go. Quick upgrade to the pull bar, and who knows, maybe the company will see this and then end up just actually making this. Because with this right here, it's going to make a nice beefier surface for you to hit with the hammer. Oh, and also that 1 inch tab there, by hitting with the hammer, it kept bending this way. And it was already down to like, I'd say when I straighten it out, probably had a 22.5 degree bend on it. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and hit the little bell button for new and upcoming videos. Thanks guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.